A jump in the number of organ transplants coming from donors who have fatally overdosed. 2 News reporter Dana Smith asking local officials about those numbers.
Yes, that's right, Mark. Local officials say as the opioid crisis gets worse, they're also seeing an increase in the number of organ transplants from people who have died of an overdose.
Stephanie Burianic of Life Connection of Ohio says last year they saw a record number of organ transplants from people who fatally overdosed.
So yes, we have seen an increase. In 2017, Life Connection of Ohio, we had 20 overdose cases that resulted in the gift of life, but that helped 51 lives. 51 lives were saved because of that.
The Montgomery County Coroner's Office recorded more than 500 opioid overdose deaths last year. Sheriff Phil Plummer blamed the rise on drug cartels and a lack of access to treatment. Burianic said although overdose deaths continue to be a stain on the community, those who choose to donate their organs are making a difference.
You know, yes, it was a horrible death, but they're able to give the gift of life to someone else and make a huge difference. And it's healing for their families, knowing that they were able to do so good for someone else.
She said there continues to be a need for organ and tissue donors. Nearly 3,000 people in Ohio are currently awaiting organ transplants.
A lot of times people have questions about if they receive an organ from someone who, overdosed. They're not going to get a bad organ, basically. They're flushed, they're cleaned. That's just something big that we want people to know, is that the risk of transmission is so low that there's more of a risk of someone dying on the waiting list.
And if you're interested in becoming a donor, just contact Life Connection of Ohio. Reporting live, Dana Smith, 5 on 2.